Here we are at the Lucy Doubles in Houston, where I get to bowl with Madison in a mixed doubles for a PBA title, which is really cool. There's a ton of different men's and women's pairings, some superstars, and some people here just for a really good cause in breast cancer awareness and raising money for breast cancer. So one of my favorite tournaments of the year because I get to shoot it up with Madison and we can do it for a good cause. Hopefully it goes well for our 7 games. You feel old at this tournament?
Do you feel old at this tournament?
No.
You don't?
A little bit. There's so many college kids here.
Starting to feel old at this tournament.
A lot of college kids. Back in the hotel room, we're about to go to the Houston Space Center. We actually ended up going plus 48 overall as a team. Madison bowled really well. She hung right around even. I went about plus 50-ish, 60-ish, which puts us at plus 48, which was 8th for our squad. They take 40 overall after 4 squads, so we're on pace to make the cut, but A squad is always a little lower scoring because we're the first ones out on the pattern. So it'll be a long 2 days of just watching scores and watching the squads go past us and hopefully staying inside that top 40 number so we can get some bonus bowling on Sunday. But for right now, we're going to the Houston Space Center, and I guess you guys are coming along for the ride. How did bowling go today?
I was trying to do a space pun. I don't have one. Not great.
Is this room built for you?
It is. Is that how big the rocket was?
Anybody see on your right hand?
Oh, wow. Babe, is this rocket going to be huge?
Yeah.
Yeah. This thing is crazy.
Is it huge? Is it huge?
It's huge. This thing is massive. Babe, was your trip to NASA worth it so far or no?
Yeah, it was out of this world. Is that good?
You're a cheese ball.
Was that good?
You're a cheese ball.
That's a robotic arm. In Canada, the Canadian Space Agency helped build it.
Of an airplane and an orbiter, whose imagination solved the thorny problem of
They're getting ready for it now. That's what the new moon mission is.
Kind of cool seeing actual moon rocks. Say nitrogen keeps them preserved. The more you know. How old is it?
3.8 billion years old.
3.8 billion years old
And it's one of 8 in the entire world
that you can touch.
that you can touch.